it's Didadu. Let's learn together.
Hi everyone, I'm Didadu. Welcome to a beautiful sunny day. Today we are going to learn about the weather and matching clothes. Look at the big yellow sun. It is so warm out here. Let's drive and see which friend we can help first. Oh look, it's Mr. Penguin. Wow, it is a very hot day, but he is wearing a thick winter coat and a warm scarf. He is so warm and sweaty. Look, sunglasses and a swimsuit. Are these for a cold snowy day or a hot sunny day? Yes, a sunny day. Now he can play comfortably. Brr, look at the sky. The sun is gone and dark gray clouds are coming. Do you know what happens when gray clouds fill the sky? It's raining! Splish, splash! Our puppy friend is getting wet and cold in the rain. Let's find something to keep him dry.
Uh-oh! The umbrella is upside down. Let's turn it over. There! Now it can block the raindrops.
Wow, look! White snowflakes are falling from the sky. It is getting very, very cold. Winter is here.
Achoo!
Hello, little kitty. Achoo! Oh, she is freezing in the snow. It is a very cold day. What clothes do we need when it's snowy and cold?
Yes, a warm winter hat and a cozy scarf. Thank you very much, Didadu. Now I'm warm and cozy.
We did it! We helped our friends match their clothes to the weather. Sunny, rainy, and snowy. You are the best dress-up helper. Thank you for exploring the weather with me today. See you next time on DIDADUTV. Bye-bye! Don't forget to subscribe.
Hi, it's Didadu.
See you soon.
Let's learn together.